I'm like hiding from the camera.
Wait, I need to.
I have a reason.
What? Give me the death note.
Here you go. I'm just like,
Wait, that's for having you.
no, that's a different one. I have a text message.
Wait.
Penis candles.
Awkward. What? That's just weird. Why would you say that? Holy crap, it even has like the monogram. I knew that. Oh wait, is this like your official one that you don't write in?
Yeah.
I don't have an official one I don't write in. Don't tell my mom I write in mine, okay? Don't tell my mom I write in mine, because she'd kill me.
Okay.
She would.
Shh, people. Shh.
I know weird.
I don't know what.
Oh wait. Still-san! I put my phone back and then I cut it because it was hilarious.
Oh
And
my
then he accidentally tries to shoot.
That's not weird. You know what we should do?
What?
We should go outside and run around like a dumbass.
I'd rather not. I know my neighbors and one of them's like an 8th grader that goes to our school.
Peace.
Oh shit. He's so pissed wrong. You don't even know who these people are. It could be Michael Jackson. Wait, no, Michael Jackson's dead. Dead.
Mello loves you.
3 of 3. Sorry.
Not really.
Complete my
I
heart.
want my death note now.
Complete my
It's
heart.
in my shirt.
Okay, that's okay. Wait. Okay, good. Huh? I feel awkward.
I think I just saw your ass.
Sorry. Sorry, skirt.
Tell Misa. Misa Mane.
I'm gonna sit up now because my shirt's weird. Just saying.
God, my pants are falling.
That's nice to know.
Yes, it is.
Bye. Ow.
Slap me.
Skirts. Okay, if this camera showed anything about my skirt, I'm changing it. Hi, person.
What should I do? No. I don't know
That
what
looks
I'm
so
doing.
wrong. I'm sorry.
Sexual intercourse. Boop.
No, sexual intercourse is not this, it's this. I heard.
You would know.
Well, it is. I would know, actually.
Bam. I thought you loved me.
I do. Come here. No. Fine. I'll sit here and cry. This music's not sad at all. God, it's like fuck you, life, and everything. It's like.
What are you doing?
I can just.
She enjoys putting things in her mouth because she likes light so damn much.
I actually just like enjoy showing on the nighttime class, so I guess. And then people are like, just like, it's kind of funny, so I do it on purpose.
Fail.
What? Okay, I'm just gonna take this out of my mouth now to avoid it off. Sorry, I got spit on my mouth.
Doesn't she look like the ring girl now? She's like,
Wait, watch. It's like.
Rape. Rape's not a good word.
You said it like 5 times.
But it is rape.
You know.
What?
Describes.
I'm a man stripper.
It's a story on fanfiction.com.
And I end up with that. No,
Snatch?
she's my baby.
Okay.
Your hair smells nice.
That wasn't weird.
Whoa. I really am a stripper.
You really didn't smell my hair. God.
I smelled your hair. Because I can.
My hair does smell nice. Sorry. It's probably your stuff. Ew.
Wait. Give me your hair.
Oh my gosh. Ew.
Hey. I noticed you got some pants on. Whoa.
That's a pedophile right there.
Pedophileness.
Sorry. I was meant to was in the bottle.
Because you like bottles so damn much.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's fun to freak you out. Your eyes get all wide and you're just like, whoa. How do you do that? I can do that.
Sorry.
My try. Stop.
Rape.
I know, right? Awkward.
Ow.
Ow, oh my god. Turn the camera.
Turn the camera. No, Lisa, action.
This is awkward.
What?
Well, this is awkward. And I'm wearing a mini skirt too. Ow.
Ladies. Give me a napkin. Sugar cubes? That would be funny. Like we could cosplay as Elle.
I don't think so. Wait.
Garbage.
It's in the pantry. On the edge by that door. So it's a small door by that big door. It's in there. It's like at the bottom. Emergency. How long is this video? Holy crap, it's 9 minutes. We gotta stop it or else we can't put it on YouTube. So let's make a different one, okay?
Okay.
Say goodbye. Mwah.
Mello wants you.
Okay, bye.